Good morning, my dear student. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. This is the class for chemistry, class 9. We are discussing the chapter number 3, atoms and molecules, laws of chemical combination. We already discussed the different type of scientists. Anthony Lavoisier, John Dalton, and other scientists led to the formulation of certain law of chemical combination, which is the formulation of elements and compounds. So we already discussed the law of conservation of mass. Today I am coming with the video of law of constant or different proportion. All pure specimens of the same compound always contain the same contain the same. So all pure specimen of the same compound always contain the same elements combined together in the same proportion by weight. These are the keywords. So all pure specimen of the same compound, all pure specimen of the same compound always contain the same elements combined together in the same proportion by weight. Water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen. It can be obtained from various sources or even synthesized in the laboratory. So my dear student, from whatever source we get it, 9 parts by weight of water is always found to contain 1 part by weight of hydrogen. So and 8 part by weight of oxygen. Thus in water, this proportion of hydrogen and oxygen by weight always remains constant. In the same way, all chemical compounds are found to have constant composition irrespective of their method of formation or sources. So right now we are going to discuss the explanation. Right now we are going to discuss the explanation of the laws of chemical constant or constant proportion. So let us understand the formulation of law of constant proportion or definite proportion by the same way. So my dear student, let us understand the things in a very simple way. So my dear student, it is quite clear that we are going to give the experimental value of the law of constant proportion. So let us understand the experimental value of law of constant proportion. However, these law lack any scientific explanation. However, these laws lack any scientific explanation. These laws lacked any scientific explanation. So my dear student, these laws lacked any scientific. However, these laws lacked any scientific explanation. However, these laws lacked any scientific explanation. Explanation. This problem was solved by British scientist John Dalton, 1766 to 1844, a school teacher. Dalton proposed a new theory. About the structure of atom. About the structure of atom. The theory is known as known as, अपना परिचय काहे दे रही हो वीडियो में? The theory is known as Dalton's. The theory is known as Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. The theory is known as Dalton's atomic theory. So, my dear student, the Dalton atomic theory. This theory provides a satisfactory. This theory provides a satisfactory theoretical explanation of the laws of conservation of mass, and the law of constant proportion, and the laws of constant proportions. So, my dear student, let us understand the explanatory way of laws of conservation of mass and the law of constant proportion. So, my dear student, however these laws lacked any scientific explanation. They have no scientific explanation. This problem was solved by British scientist John Dalton in 1776 to 1804. A school teacher. Dalton proposed a new theory about the structure of atom. The theory is known as Dalton's atomic theory. This theory provided a satisfactory theory explanation of the law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion. So, my dear student, this is all about the today video. This is all about the today video. And my dear student, I think so we all are the think about the chemistry in a simple way. We all know the chemistry in a simple way. And right now, after that we will discuss the different types of the explanation. So, my dear student, thank you for watching my video. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome to channel Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Give more views, like and share to the class 9 student. Give more subscribe all and give more views, likes and share. Thank you all of you. Take care.